Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the all-new 2021 Volkswagen ID.4. This is the first edition, and this is actually the first one we've received at any of our stores here at Quirk Auto Dealers. Wanted to go ahead, take a look at it, because it's really a game changer for Volkswagen, being their first car designed from the ground up to be an electric vehicle. They've had the e-Golf here and there, but this is the first time they've gone ahead and really made a rival for Tesla. Mythos black metallic exterior, Galaxy black leatherette. Obviously this is a single speed automatic, no gears here. Total price of $45,425. And the first editions pretty much come fully loaded. Here's the crazy part, 104 miles per gallon city, 89 miles per gallon highway for a total combined of 97 miles per gallon. Well, so it's essentially like they sit there and they take the electrons and they make it seem like MPG, but obviously it's not burning any gas because it doesn't have any. Taking a look at the key, definitely a very, very unique key fob. Something that is not shared with any other Volkswagen currently. And that rings true for almost all of the interior components, especially that sunroof, moonroof. You can see, nice flat floor. Obviously there's no drive shaft. This one is rear wheel drive, which thank you Volkswagen for, instead of making it front wheel, it makes it rear wheel drive. I want to go ahead, check out what's under the hood. I don't know what's there, honestly. Not a whole lot up here. I think this is where your electric motor and stuff resides, but pretty cool. Knew that was gonna happen. Oi. There we go. Does look really, really good. It actually looks awesome in person. You have ID here on the seats. You come inside. Absolutely gorgeous. Foot on the brake to start. I think I turned the music down. Yeah, I did. All right, good. Wow. Everything is touch sensitive here. There's really not a lot of hard buttons. Do have ambient lighting. And if you want to control certain aspects, now if you look up here, hey ID, navigate to Dunkin' Donuts. Not sure if that works. I've never tried that.
1010 Jones Avenue, Town.
Alright, so it doesn't recognize that. But, hey ID, open climate control.
All right.
Then you can go ahead, open that up. So it's pretty cool. All your different drive modes are controlled with these hard buttons. Well, not actual buttons, are touch sensitive. You have Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Custom. All your assists are here. Once I close out of that, go into assist. Here's pretty cool. So everything here is all touch sensitive. So you want to change your lane change assist, press the car next to you. You want to change speed limit recognition, or dynamic road display I should say, that's here. Forward collision warning, all right here. And then for adaptive cruise control, press the car in front. Lastly, for lane markings and stuff like that, lane departure assist, that is all right there. That I love, that you touch the part that you want to control. That is awesome. Here is all your parking cameras. You have your cross traffic display, You can just press enter and exit your trailering assist. Just pretty cool. So exit out of that. On the pedals, you'll see it has pause and play. That's a first edition exclusive, as well as first on the steering wheel. For all your drive controls, press that twist for reverse, that for drive, and then B for braking. One thing about this EV, there's not a lot of actually there's really no regenerative braking in normal drive. This was designed as an entry-level EV for someone who's never owned an electric vehicle. Kind of just, they can control the braking, so if they want to coast, you know, first time getting in an EV, that regenerative braking can be a little terrifying. So it's nice that they give people the option, all right, you want it to drive like a normal crossover, it will. So you see here, it will keep it going down the hill at a decent speed. But here's the craziest part. Not all-wheel drive, they will make an all-wheel drive version, but rear-wheel drive, instantaneous torque. It's absolutely impressive, to say the least. A lot of people complained about this infotainment system, how it's kind of buggy. I don't know if they were driving the pre-production or they did a revision. I haven't had any issues with it. Then again, I haven't driven it for a long period of time. I've just kind of driven it to and fro. But so far, it's actually really impressive. You hear it's actually a good amount of road noise for alerting pedestrians and stuff like that. Obviously, I did not think I was going to be driving this today. When I saw we got one in, they told me it was a customer car. Now it's a demonstrator, so pretty cool. Put it into B mode. Now keep in mind, not blow your socks off fast. Not designed to be. I wonder if they will make like a GTI or a GLI version of these with some upped power. That would be pretty cool, but I definitely applaud them for going rear-wheel drive on this chassis, on this platform. I'll go this way. I actually really like this thing. So they basically went after people who have Tiguan's, kind of introducing them to the electric vehicle world. Don't know the exact full range, but this one is at a full charge. Well, I believe a full charge. It's displaying a full charge, 258 miles to empty. And that's just kind of been driving around the lot, stuff like that. So easily you could probably get 300 miles out of this in the right conditions, which is pretty impressive to say the least. Tesla, I do believe, is getting close to 300-mile range now. So it's pretty impressive that Volkswagen can get that right off the get-go. Something about electric cars, guys. They definitely surprise you if you're not used to them. They had the windows down, that's why I dropped the windows. Oh, this thing's phenomenal. To summarize, for their first electric vehicle, Volkswagen nailed it. Definitely very, very surprising as their first all-electric vehicle. Oh my gosh, the turning radius. Do you see that? This thing's almost like just completely rotating on its own axis. That... Alright, I gotta demonstrate that now. So watch this. So here, full lock. I just turned around in one lane. What? Good job, Volkswagen. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.